What's the Oninu? What does it mean to be Ma'onein? What does that mean? So the Gemara says that means, the Gemara in Sanhedrin discusses, says that means that a person believes that there are lucky times. That there are certain times that are lucky, Friday the 13th, that is a bad time and a scary time, and then there are good times. There's only one exception that we know of to that rule, and that is what the Gemara tells us in Mesachas Tainis. Mishnah says in Mesachas Tainis that Misha Nichnas Av Mematin B'Simcha, and the Gemara says, Kshem Shemisha Nichnas Av Mematin B'Simcha, Kach Misha Nichnas Adar Marbin B'Simcha. Now, what does that mean? So the Gemara tells us what it means. It means that someone who has a din together against the guy, you have a court case against the guy, a person, if he has the ability to decide when it's going to be, so insofar as it relates to a conflict or a confrontation between a Jew and a non-Jew, we try to avoid having that in Av, or really just the first 9 days of Av, the way most poskim understand. Some poskim understand until Tu B'Av, but Pashtus, the first 9 days of Av. And instead, we try to have it during Chodesh Adar because that's his Zman Geula. Yemei Nisma Yisrael Purim Pesach. Rashi writes in Mesachas Tainis. That's when the period of Geula really begins. The period of Nisim really begins. That's a very, very powerful time. So, generally speaking, we're not supposed to believe that there is a mazel, but specifically in the area of a confrontation between a Jew and a non-Jew, we try to relate to Adar and keep it away from Av. Rav Schachter thought that even as far as scheduling a surgery, that someone asked him once, he said that a non-Jewish doctor that was going to do a surgery and on the Jewish patient, on a Jewish child, and he thought that, and the person said, should we not schedule it during the 9 days? He said, no, it's about a confrontation between a Jew and a non-Jew. The non-Jewish doctor wants to help you. They're not trying to kill you. They want to. When you have a court case, it's you against them. So then you don't want to schedule that. But when the non-Jew is helping you, he didn't think that was an issue. One could argue that it's a separate issue, that it's not about the non-Jew issue. It's just about doing dangerous things. That because one should try to stay away from things that are inherently dangerous. Rav Schachter didn't think so. He didn't think there was any reason to postpone the surgery. But okay, one could argue that maybe for dangerous things, it's a separate issue.